Hello, welcome to day 5, Friday, October 23rd. We are in the last day of Module 5 of Unit 2. Let's see what we have to do for today. Remember, it is Friday, so it is an async day. We will not have class together on Zoom, but remember, I do have office hours, so I will explain that in a little bit. First thing, we'll watch the video. Click async. You have 2 activities for today. First activity is Spark. You're going to read Preparing to Interview. Make sure you do the activity in under 26 minutes and you get 75% or more the first time. Second is your deliverable. So you will do a Flipgrid. So you can click Flipgrid here and sign in with your CR email. If that does not work, go to flipgrid.com, put in this code, and sign in with your CR email. Okay, so let's see what you have to do in Flipgrid. So I will join with my Carlos Rosario email, and I'm going to create a video describing my work experience using the present perfect. Okay, so here are a lot of explanations for that. Then, as I said, it is an async day, so let's go to sync. Well, there isn't a sync. We have conversation and yoga. So from 10 to 11, I am available in Zoom for any questions you have. Conversation, we do conversation circles and we practice with a little yoga. Hopefully, we'll get to yoga this week. So please come into Zoom if you have any questions or you need any clarifications or you want to practice your speaking and do a little yoga. And that's it. Have a great weekend. Make sure you do all of your work. Bye.